Are you thinking about investing in real estate properties and you keep hearing investors talk about cash on cash return or even their cash on cash yield and you're wondering what the heck they're talking about? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. So in this video, I'm going to break it down to its most basic level so that you understand exactly what they're talking about and how they use it to analyze investment properties. So let's get after it right now. The cash on cash return is actually a percentage of the return on your initial investment. It measures the stability of that particular investment. Now, the cash on cash formula is rental income minus expenses divided by the cash you invested times 100. This will give you your cash on cash return. Now, let's say that we have investor Jim here. He buys a house for $500,000, puts $100,000 down. That's his investment. Has a rental income of $12,000 a year minus $7,000 expenses. You have $5,000 pre-tax cash flow. So you divide that by your initial investment, 5,000 divided by 100,000 times 100, and you have a cash on cash return of 5%. Now, the benefits of the cash on cash return formula is that it can be used to repair property if needed. It can show that the property pays for itself over time and is actual cash that you can utilize when you want to. The disadvantages of cash on cash return: it has to be used with other formulas to correctly evaluate your investment opportunity. It doesn't take into consideration appreciation, principal reduction, tax exemptions, and ultimately it does not show the whole picture, but only a piece of it. You might be wondering, what is a good cash on cash return when it comes to real estate investing? Now, when you look at the stock market, the typical average rate of return is between 6 to 8%. But a good cash on cash return is going to be around 12%. So even if 12% is the ideal return on cash ratio, if the real estate market that you plan on investing in is going up, you can lower that to about 10%. I'd love to know exactly where you are in your investment journey. Are you a beginner just learning the ropes, or are you a seasoned investor? Let me know where you are in your real estate journey down in the comments below. If you did find any value in this video whatsoever, consider hitting that thumbs up button and subscribing, because I'm going to go through the other metrics you're going to need to know about investing in real estate. If you like this video, you're going to want to watch this video right here where I go over the internal rate of return. And that is another metric that you're going to want to use when analyzing investment properties.